Today we're going to replace our headlights on our Chrysler Sebring convertible. It's a 2008. First thing you have to do is take this off, and it has a couple of clips that you just pop right out with your screwdriver. Okay, and then you have to get your torque wrench, and this is a 10 millimeter, and it'll take your bolts out, which I've already done this one, and then these are clips right here, pop out. So this will get the grill loose and pop the grill out. Once we're done with that, we'll move on to the next stage, which is to take the screws out of here so that you can have access to pull the bumper down, because you'll need to pull the bumper down in order to get to two of the screws on the lights that are kind of buried within the grill. So we'll start our process now. Right now we're using 7 millimeter torque wrench to get these factory screws out of here. Of course, our car's used, and someone puts in some regular Phillip head screws right here. But if you still have the factory screws in here, it's 7 millimeters. All right, now we're taking the 7 millimeter bolt out of the bumper. It attaches the corner here. So once we get that loosened up, we can slide the bumper out. So I took our 7 millimeter bolt out of here, and now we're able to slide the bumper out. I'll put this in here so I don't lose it. Got to get one more clip right here. I forgot. You just use a regular flathead screwdriver. Pull the top out, and then the bottom will come out easily. So that's how you do that. Okay, then put them back together, just so you keep them in the same. Okay, so now just want to drop it over a little bit. We're just going to put something right underneath here. We don't really need to take it all the way off. Just place it right there. Kind of keep it placed. So now we're going to take our T27 and loosen this one. You got 4 bolts. This is the first one. Take that one out. See how it comes out. Second bolt is right here, and again, it's T27. Got it. Both the same size. Put those right there. Our third bolt is right here. On the side is the fourth one right here, and it's 10 millimeters. If I can squeeze. So you're gonna have to take this bolt out too, which holds the light in. This slides in there from the light, and it's 8 millimeters. It's an 8 millimeter. You see how it's moving now? We're able to slide it out. You don't need to take the whole bracket off, just enough to get it to move so you can slide this piece out right here. Okay. Now, of course, we just have to unhook our bulbs and pull up here, snap out, pull up on this thing right here. That thing right there, you pull up on and snaps out. This one on the side, and you just pull the tab Some people keep it on, some people wait till afterwards. I like to take it off now because I don't want to get any of the plastic stuck in it. Goes like this. Start with the most difficult. Snaps right in. Snaps right in. And snaps right in. Put my red piece back in. Okay. Now we're just gonna line it up, make sure it's tight here. Grab our bolts. Right now I'm lining up the bumper, lined it up with in the front right here, and then put the top on. That's how that's done. Okay, so now it's not going to go anywhere. Make sure I lined it up. See, it's all snug and tight right there. Put that clip in. Put that in. All right. Now we're going to do our side bumpers. Snap right in. And then I'll tighten this bolt up right here. It'll be nice and tight. All right, so we repeated what we did on this side to the other side, and we were able to get that light in easily. Undid all the screws, and then we started by putting the bumper back and securing the bumper first, and securing the clips over here, putting our 2 screws back in. One of them still loose. There we go. And basically making sure everything lined up and fit together. So I want to go over here and give her a try and see what she looks like. Key in it. There it is. Well, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our videos, Martin's Used Cars and Collectibles. Thanks for watching.